Welcome to today's video on maximizing organic reach on Facebook. In this episode, we will explore strategies and tips to maximize the organic reach of your content on the leading social media platform. You'll discover how to increase visibility, engage with your audience, and generate more leads. Unleash the power of ChatGPT to skyrocket your organic reach on Facebook. Discover proven strategies to create compelling content, optimize your posting schedule, and tap into the potential of Facebook Messenger. Are you ready? Before the ChatGPT stuff, let's dive in Facebook basics. What is organic reach? Before we dive into the strategies, let's understand what organic reach is. On Facebook, organic reach refers to the number of people who see your posts without the need for paid advertising. It's an effective way to reach your audience for free and make a significant impact on your business. Creating engaging content. The key to maximizing organic reach on Facebook is creating engaging and relevant content. You need to understand your audience and provide them with content that interests and resonates with them. Whether it's text posts, images, or videos, make sure your content is valuable and appealing to your target audience. Optimizing your posting strategy. In addition to creating quality content, your posting strategy plays a crucial role in organic reach on Facebook. It's important to identify the optimal times to post when your audience is most active and receptive. Use tools like Facebook Insights to gather insights into your audience's activity patterns and adjust your strategy accordingly. Leveraging Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger offers a valuable opportunity for direct and personalized communication with your audience. Encourage your followers to message you for inquiries, support, or more information. Respond in a timely manner and provide valuable assistance to build trust and nurture leads. Additional strategies to maximize organic reach. In addition to the previous strategies, here are some additional suggestions to maximize your organic reach on Facebook. 1. Actively participate in relevant Facebook groups to connect with like-minded audiences. 2. Conduct live broadcasts to generate real-time interactions and increased visibility. 3. Collaborate with influencers in your industry to amplify your reach and credibility. 4. Encourage user-generated content to increase engagement and organic reach. Why choose Facebook over other social media platforms? Now, you might be wondering why you should focus on Facebook to maximize your organic reach instead of other social media platforms. Let's explore some compelling reasons. Large user base. Facebook boasts over 2.8 billion monthly active users, making it the largest social media platform in the world. This wide user base presents a significant opportunity to reach and engage with a diverse audience. Targeted advertising options. Facebook offers highly effective advertising tools that allow you to target your audience based on interests, demographics, and behaviors. This means you can directly reach people who are more likely to be interested in your content, increasing the effectiveness of your organic reach efforts. Diversity of content formats. Facebook allows you to share a variety of content formats, including text posts, images, videos, and live streams. This gives you the flexibility to use different types of content to capture your audience's attention and maintain their engagement. Generating and scheduling content with advanced technology. Have you ever wondered how you can generate quality content and efficiently schedule it on Facebook? That's where advanced technology like ChatGPT comes into play. With tools like ChatGPT, you can leverage artificial intelligence to generate content ideas, draft posts, and automate certain tasks in your social media strategy. Let me give you some concrete examples of how you can use this technology to create content for Facebook. Idea generation. Use ChatGPT to generate fresh and creative ideas for your Facebook posts. Simply ask questions about topics related to your industry, and you'll receive valuable and original suggestions for your posts. Post drafting. With the help of ChatGPT, you can quickly write your Facebook posts. Just provide a brief description or a general idea, and ChatGPT will assist you in crafting compelling and concise content. Automated scheduling. In addition to content generation, ChatGPT can assist you in scheduling your posts. You can use ChatGPT's technology to automate the scheduling process, setting dates and times for your posts to be published optimally. Audience segmentation. ChatGPT can also help you identify and segment your audience on Facebook. You can utilize this technology to analyze demographic data and behavioral patterns, enabling you to tailor your posts to reach the right audience at the right time. Remember, technology like ChatGPT is a powerful tool for streamlining your content creation and scheduling efforts on Facebook. However, it's important to maintain authenticity and your brand voice in every post. In summary, by utilizing advanced technology like ChatGPT, you can enhance content generation and scheduling on Facebook. Make the most of this tool to generate ideas, write posts, schedule content, and segment your audience efficiently. Strike a balance between automation and authenticity. Technology can facilitate many tasks, but it doesn't replace genuine connections with your audience. Experiment with this technology and discover how it can help you optimize your Facebook strategy. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and digital marketing strategies.